This one looks good. Let's book some travel. Let's go ahead and book a trip to Paris. Oh, this flight looks good. Let's do that. Now, we've just told the agent to book us a flight. Let's see what's going on behind the scenes. Let's look at the conversation between Helpful Travel Agent and Awesome Airlines. Here, you'll see the MCP identity extensions in use. Here, we see the preamble where the agent is first completing a KYA process to see if the airline even wants to deal with this agent. Once that passes, the agent establishes the session to work with our user's account. And in this case, there's not an existing authorization to do so, so the user needs to do some work. Let's see what the user experiences next. Okay, let's go through this. Okay, this looks pretty understandable. This is very similar to an OAuth process. And we've also got this extra legal bit to authorize the agent to accept terms and conditions. Let's see what that looks like in our chat window. Great, let's complete this authorization. Okay, and we can see that once I completed the form, the airline created a record of that authorization, saved it away, and returned a session key we can use for this session and future ones. You can see here in just a few quick minutes, we've verified this as a good agent, not a malicious one, verified this agent has the rights to work for this human, solved the legal agreements problem.